Union Home Minister Amit Shah will launch India's first cooperative sector ride-hailing service Bharat Taxi today at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. The initiative is inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Sahkar se Samriddhi and aims to promote inclusive, citizen-centric mobility while strengthening the cooperative movement in the country. Bharat Taxi has been conceived as a driver-owned and driver-led mobility platform, marking a significant departure from conventional aggregator-based model. Under the guiding principle of Sarthi Himalik, drivers known as Sarthi are not just service provider but also stakeholders and owner in the cooperative, ensuring equitable profit sharing and greater economic security. During the launch program, the top 6 performing Sarthis since the platform's soft launch will be honored. They will be awarded share certificates reinforcing their ownership in the cooperative along with a personal accident insurance cover of Rs 5 lakh and a family health insurance cover of Rs 5 lakh. The initiative reflects a strong emphasis on driver welfare, social security and long-term financial stability. The event will also witness the exchange of 9 Memorandum of Understanding with key public and private partnerships to strengthen organizational integration, digital empowerment, safety measures and service delivery. Registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002, Bharat Taxi was established on June 6, 2025. It operates on a zero-commission, surge-free pricing model with profit distributed directly among drivers. We report News Now.